Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Ellie Fraser and today I'll be doing an acrylic pour. The one that I'm going to be doing is a ring pour. I am going to carry on from my previous video, which you can head back to my channel and you'll see it on there. It was a marble pour. I'll just show you, I've got it here. Still drying, so I'm not going to tip it too much. But that was the marble one that I'd done. So that was just a flip pour, 1 cup. So I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to do it as a ring pour. So I was going to do a set of 3 of them. So the next one, I'm not too sure what strategy I'm going to go with that one, but it's still going to be the marble effect. So yeah, the paints that I will be using today is the silver. So that's a Kmart paint, a white, black, and I made up this really pretty colour. This is a black and like a metallic blue colour. Really like it. So I'll get that colour in there somewhere as well. So the canvas I've got today, still can't remember the size of this one, so it's just a Kmart canvas. Put my pins in the back, and yeah, so we'll get started. Okay, have my glovies on, just the cup, nice clear cup. Okay, so we are going to start pouring in. I'm going to go in with the white first. Oops. I want a bit of white, so I'm going to put quite a bit in there. We'll go silver next. So the paints that I mixed up, I'm only doing the paint first, and then I slowly add water in. So not even using Floetrol or anything like that. It's just literally water and the acrylic paint. So every paint's different, so you can't really tell, say, I don't know, some people say, oh, how much consistency did you put in? I literally just put the paint into the tub thingy here, and then I just slowly add the water in because every paint's different. Some already come a little bit runny, some don't. What am I doing? I've already put, colours in. I'm putting a little bit of black in. Okay, so now I'm going to go. I just find that the black overpowers a lot. So just a little bit of silver again. Now this silver is actually really shimmery. Okay, going on with the ring pour. Only this is actually my second time doing a ring pour, so bear with me. Oh, too blobbly. We need to get different cups, so I can't really bend this cup too much. And I've just realised I didn't even put a white base down. That was a little bit silly. Okay, so I'll just go run it around the sides instead. Okay, just going to spread this white out. Now, I'm just new to this YouTube channel, so I'm trying out different things. I don't know whether you like me talking in it, or if you just like to watch it and me have the music over it. I don't know if you like zoom ins, or I'm just trying out different things to see what the audience likes. Let me know what you think and what you think I should be doing. Like I said, I'm only new, so comment on this video and let me know so I can try different things out. Move that off. Okay. My gloves off. I'm going to blow torch the ring pour. Alright, it's not working. Okay. Now I'm going to start the tilting process. Like I said, this is only my second go at doing a ring pour. So hopefully I don't stuff it up. I don't know if I'm supposed to be going fast, slow. I'm going to get rid of that mess that I made down in that corner. So I run off the side there. Hopefully you can see this video. And sort of that darkness off the canvas. And got a big white blob over here that I need to try to get rid of. Should have done that first before I tilted all the way to the other side. Slowly coming back. Okay, it is. That off. There's going to be more white, so really like it. I'm going to get now down to the other corner. Walking, it's like walking, giving me a bit of a workout here. Bring it back down to the middle now. Alright, what do you think? I didn't add any of this nice blue in there, so like I did on my last one, I sort of just drizzled it in places, so I might do the same on this one. We will go, I don't know, somewhere up here. Try to get, oh no. Didn't want that to happen, but anyway, we'll just stretch it out. Okay, it's done now, so we'll have to do another section somewhere. Okay, over here. Somewhere. Maybe in here somewhere. Thank you for watching. Please, like I said, comment. Let me know what I'm doing wrong. Let me know what you want to see. But I've got another one of these I'm going to do. So yeah, same colour, same marble effect. So the next video, same one, but on my last set of 3. So keep watching. Remember to subscribe. And I will see you next time. Thank you.